Fear. It makes your hand shake. It tightens your chest. It tells you to stop, to hide, to run. But what if I told you? Fear is the greatest power you'll ever have, because fear is fuel. Fear sharpens your instincts. It shows you what matters. It exposes your weakness so you can crush it. Every time you feel fear, it's a signal not to retreat, not to give up, but to advance. It's your body telling you this moment counts, and it does, because the moments that scare you the most are the ones that shape who you become. Fear reveals your limits, then dares you to pass them. You're scared to speak? Then speak louder. You're scared to fight? Then train harder. You're scared to fail? Then take the risk anyway, because on the other side of fear is growth. Nobody becomes strong by avoiding fear. They become strong by walking into it again and again and again, until it breaks, until it bows. And fear, like fire, becomes your weapon. You're afraid? Good. That means you're alive. That means you care. That means there's something worth fighting for. So fight. Push through the panic, breathe through the pain, and rise, because fear is no longer your master. It's your power source. One day, you'll look back and realize the moments you were most afraid are the ones that made you unstoppable. So when fear knocks at your door, don't hide, open it, step through and walk into your greatness. And when fear shows up again, and it will, don't run. Welcome it, because fear is the test, the gatekeeper. It's the thing standing between who you are and who you could become. If it scares you, it matters. That fear of failure, it means you care. That fear of rejection, it means you're stepping out of your comfort zone. That fear of not being enough, good. It means you're aiming for more. Let that fear sharpen you, not stop you. Let it wake you up earlier. Let it push you to work harder. Let it remind you that you're still alive, still chasing, still growing. You don't destroy fear by waiting. You destroy fear by facing it. So next time your hands shake, next time your heart races, take a deep breath and walk straight into it, because on the other side of that fear is your power. Use your fear. Let it sharpen you. Let it shape you, because fear is power if you know how to use it.